Hello, in front of me I've got Huawei Nova Y91. In this video I'll show you how to manage Huawei Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Huawei Wallet, tap Next, Agree, Allow, and as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add your loyalty cards, coupons and gift cards to your Huawei wallet. Then you can check your Huawei points, go to settings, set payment PIN, payment verification method, check for updates, check about app, and then you can go to your Huawei account. Right here you can set up your personal info, account security, and then you can set your bank card. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.